Welcome to the tutorial on how to use the IOmetro Logistics Manager. In this tutorial, we're going to cover what the main statuses are for clients and how to change these statuses. By accessing the IOmetro Logistics spreadsheet, the legend page helps us understand what types of values are possible from transit, received, scheduled, delivered, problem, invoiced, and completed. It is important that the local delivery companies update statuses of orders as they happen, as each of these updates will be timestamped and will provide a general guideline as to when these actions were completed. Each local delivery company will access their specific tab. They will only be able to access their tab. In this case, we will assume to be the White Glove Delivery Company. At this case, we see that all of our orders have been loaded up. These orders include the information of the ship to name, the order number, the product description, and the quantity that has arrived of that product. In order to change the status of a product, we're going to simply answer 1. There's no other types of responses that need to be made here, strictly just a 1. As we put a 1 in, we will receive a timestamp that will let us know that that item was received at this date and around approximately that time. As you see, we move forward. As the item is scheduled, we are able to put a 1 there, and it will allow us to know when that's been scheduled. Now, the light yellow tabs that we see here are going to be places that will have manual entry. So as this person was scheduled, and let's pretend that they put a date for 2 days into the future, we will enter that date as well as the time of that appointment. Now keep in mind that this right here is based off military time, so that if you want to put an afternoon time, you need to put it 1200 plus. So if we wanted to do a 5 p.m. Delivery time, we would actually put 1700 there. As we move forward to delivered, we have a 1, we'll change that status. Actual delivery time will be important that you come in and put that. So as we change that to that we actually delivered it at 5 p.m. Now problem will be only if there's a problem with the product on delivery, or if the client has any sorts of problem, whatever that customer service needs to address. This can be left blank. In this case, we'll assume that there was a problem, so we'll put a 1. This will then instantly flag this row red to let us know that there is a problem. Once that problem is resolved, we will be able to invoice. The local delivery companies will be able to invoice the IOmetro, at which point IOmetro HQ will receive that invoice, process it, and give this a completed status, which means that the local delivery companies will be getting paid at that time. This is the basics as far as this is all that needs to be edited. Only the colored tabs at the top are the only sections that need to be edited, and most entries are typically just entering a 1. 1 means yes, blank means nothing. So the only potential answers are 1 or nothing, unless we are at a light yellow tab where you will answer the question appropriately by either putting a date or a time.